Hey y'all, it's Bambi Lou. I hope y'all are surviving the quarantine. It's fine. I took my kids to the gun range the other day. So today I'm going to teach y'all how to make some chicken. Now, all y'all grown women got to know how to make that chicken for your husband, right? Okay. So this recipe has been passed down from my mama, all the way back to England 6,000 years ago. All right, so here we go. Excuse me, got a little tickle in my pickle. Okay, so we're gonna start with just this one chicken breast, okay? Now, normally I would make a larger batch because, as you know, I have a very large family. Of course, I've got my husband, then my 8 children. We've got Bransley, Braxley, Zaxby, Chambly, Buford, Taisley, Paisley, and Bushley. Bushley's my baby. And of course, at the head of the family, there's my husband. He is a senator's nephew's godson. So there's that. So before I start the chicken, as far as sides, we can do some Kraft macaroni and cheese. We can do some instant powdered taters. We can do some butter beans, or we can do the classic green bean. You know, the one with the big handsome man on the can. Yeah, that one. I mean, you can really just mix it up. I mean, go wild, right? Oh my God. So let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna get to it. Again, we're gonna start with this chicken breast that I bought over at the Kroger's, and then we're gonna moisten it. You know, we gotta moisten it a little bit. So you're just gonna grab, I don't know, your favorite Chardonnay or whatever, and just pour it over. Just kind of moisten it up so that the chicken can get, just flavorful, and they call this in France the beurre blanc sauce. We're actually going to zest it up a little bit. I don't know what this is. I think it's a whiskey, but we're going to put it in and see. I'm having fun, y'all. I'm winging it. Alrighty, here. Okay, so we got a nice little French marinade going on. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit for a second, okay? Okay, now it's time to stick this in the oven. And I know what some of y'all are thinking. She didn't put any seasoning on that chicken. Well, let me tell you something. I know that there are a lot of spices from Indonesia and Indochina, but I don't do that. There's no seasonings Indo pantry. Oh man. Now don't get me wrong. I am cultured, okay? I went to Cancun when I was at Georgia Southern, okay, for spring break, all right? Gracias. See, I'm a woman of the world. So anyway, I do not use spices from other countries, okay? I believe that spices are of the devil. If God wanted us to have Sinner's spicy chicken, He would have made the chicken spicy in the first place, right? When I go to Chick-fil-A, I don't even get the fried sandwich. I get grilled with no sauce. I'm on that keto thing. You know, gotta look out for my figure. So it's time to cook this chicken like God intended, okay? We're gonna stick it in the oven at 500 and cook it for 2 hours. So while we're waiting, I'm gonna get some more wine, okay? Y'all know I don't start drinking till 11 in the morning, right? I'm not trashy. Hey, I got some more. Woo! Woo! I spilled. Let's see what this is. Woo! Ooh. Stinky. Ooh. That'll put me to sleep. All right, chicken's done. Looks so scrumptious. So there it is, y'all. Go ahead and let that chicken cool off and then serve it to your family. It might be a little dry, and that's fine. You can wash it down with some water. You can wash it down with some Kool-Aid for the kids, or you can keep on washing it down with your favorite Chardonnay. I hope y'all enjoy all of the fixins, and may you be blessed. And I want all of y'all to come back and join me next week when I teach you how to harass a retail worker. Oh, also, my neighbor's stopping by. Her name's Martha, and she's a bit of a bitch, but she makes the best cheese balls in the neighborhood. Bless her heart, that's all she can do right. I don't even know what she does all day. I mean, all her kids are grown. She's old as hell. You know, just between you and me, her youngest ain't her husband's. That's none of my business. That's between her, Jesus, and the pool boy. Anyway, y'all, have a blessed day.